Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x8024a205 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. First of all, you need to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run and this will run the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next one is to reset the Windows Update components. So we have a script for you and I will share it in the description section of the video. Okay, I'll show you what has to be done with the script. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and go to run as administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. This script will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the cache files. It will re-register the associated DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally, it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.